How to fix Twitter or X. Well, X now, but formerly Twitter, not working on Android. Well, if you're facing the issue of app not working on your Android device, or if you're having storage issues or installation issues, then you can directly head into x.com or twitter.com formerly to access your account and use it through browser. The other alternative is if you have it installed and it is not working, you can proceed to check if you're having connection issues. First, make sure that connection is not the issue. If you have made sure about it, then you want to head into your settings. Once under settings, you want to head into apps. Now on the apps, you want to find the option here, X or Twitter. You can search in here, right? So you can see X app. You want to scroll down, head into storage, and you want to clear the cache first and check if it helps. If it does not, you can clear the data. However, make sure that you can access your account back again, as this will remove your account and delete every data of the application itself. Hope this video helped. Do like and subscribe.